What if you could perform insane 3D aerobatics in your living room? No runway, no hassle, just pure flight magic right out of the box. Today, we're looking at a tiny beast that completely redefines what micro RC planes can do. This is the UMX Eratix 3D FF 450mm, and despite its ultra-compact size, it packs the kind of performance that will genuinely surprise even experienced pilots. Whether you're into aggressive aerobatics or smooth, slow cruising, this little aircraft promises it all, without the usual complexity of building and setup. So let's break down what makes this model so exciting, who it's for, and why it might just become your favorite go-to flyer. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is how incredibly lightweight and minimalistic it looks. This is what's known as a flat foamy design, meaning it's optimized for agility, low-speed control, and extreme maneuverability. But here's the twist. Unlike traditional flat foam models that require hours of assembly and component selection, this one comes fully factory assembled. That means no glue, no soldering, no frustration. Just bind it to your compatible transmitter, plug in a battery, and you're ready to fly. And because it's part of the ultra-micro category, you can fly it in places you never thought possible, indoors, in your backyard, or even in tight outdoor spaces. Let's talk about what's under the hood. First, you get a powerful brushless outrunner motor. This is a big deal for a plane of this size because it delivers strong thrust while remaining efficient and reliable. Whether you're hovering, climbing vertically, or pulling off torque rolls, the power is there when you need it. Then there's the prop saver. It might sound like a small detail, but it can save you from breaking props during rough landings or minor crashes, something that's pretty common when you're pushing your limits with 3D flying. You also get 4 pre-installed servos, giving you precise control over every movement. This is essential for aerobatics, where even the smallest input can make a big difference. And finally, it's compatible with two S280 to 350 mAh batteries, which are widely available and offer a great balance between flight time and performance. Now, let's move on to one of the most impressive aspects of this aircraft, its built-in smart technology.
This model features AS3X technology, which helps smooth out the effects of wind and turbulence. So even though the plane is incredibly light, it doesn't feel unstable or twitchy in the air. Instead, you get a locked-in, confident flying experience. On top of that, you also get SAFE Select technology. This is perfect if you want an extra layer of control. It can limit pitch and bank angles, making the plane easier to handle, especially if you're still building confidence with aerobatics. And here's the best part. You can turn SAFE on or off depending on your skill level, so as you improve, the plane grows with you. Oh, and it even provides real-time telemetry data, like battery voltage, to compatible transmitters. That means no more guessing when it's time to land. So what's it actually like to fly? In one word, addictive. This plane is incredibly responsive, yet surprisingly forgiving. You can slow it down to a crawl for smooth, controlled flight, or push it to the limit with aggressive 3D maneuvers like harriers, knife-edge passes, and hovering. Because of its lightweight design, it feels almost like it's floating in the air. That makes it perfect for indoor flying, where precision and control are everything. And outdoors, as long as the wind isn't too strong, it performs beautifully. The stabilization system really helps maintain control even in less than perfect conditions. Another huge advantage is how quiet it is. You won't be disturbing anyone if you're flying in a neighborhood or indoor space. Pilots who've used this model often say the same thing. It's unbelievably convenient. No assembly means you spend more time flying and less time working on the plane. And because it's so durable and lightweight, minor crashes usually don't result in major damage.
Many users also mention how it's perfect for practicing new tricks. Since you can fly it indoors or in small areas, you're not dependent on large fields or perfect weather. And for experienced pilots, it's just plain fun. It's the kind of plane you can pick up, fly for a few minutes, and walk away with a big smile. Now, let's be clear, this isn't a beginner's first plane. It's best suited for intermediate to experienced pilots who already understand the basics of flight and want to explore aerobatics in a more convenient way. That said, With SAFE Select enabled, it can still be approachable for those transitioning into more advanced flying. So, is the UMX Eratix 3D FF worth it? If you're looking for a compact, ready-to-fly aircraft that delivers serious performance without the usual hassle, this one absolutely delivers. It's versatile, powerful, and incredibly fun to fly, whether you're indoors or outside. It takes everything great about larger flat foamy models and shrinks it down into something you can enjoy almost anywhere. And honestly, once you try it, you might find it hard to put down. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out the next one where we'll dive into another exciting product.
PureRtech. Like, comment, and subscribe.